This building is our internal factory, and we use this for producing benchmarks and samples.
It's very exciting working on the 3D area because we are doing things that no one has done before. We are developing new materials that will help us to do more applications. It's very inspiring to work here. At this production floor, we have 6 5200 solutions, and we also have 2 4200 solutions. We print PA12, PA11, PA12 glass beads, CPU BSF, and Lubrisol.
In this facility, we'll be working in a multi-material environment 5 days a week, 24 hours. And actually last year, we produced close to 60,000 parts. Efficiency is really a key factor for us. And the way we measure this high productivity is through the overall equipment efficiency. The 3 key factors for measuring the OEE is the availability, performance, and quality. And even in this complex environment with very different parts and 5 different materials, we are right now reaching an OEE of around 90%. What we are trying to do is to ensure that the equipment is always ready for use. We try to optimize the usage of build units by using also the natural cooling units. And in this way, we can free up the build units and have them available for the new material.
It is very important that we follow the HP maintenance guidelines because we have always the printer ready to print when the job is needed.
When it comes to performance, the key factors are really to make sure that we really optimize the usage of the build space. And our DFM designers really ensure that we always print full buckets. They know how to position and the parts to get the best possible quality.
Every day we learn something, every day we improve our processes here.
All the actions we take in terms of availability, performance, and in terms of quality allow us to achieve this OEE of around 90%.